The museum has this social aspect. It's like taking a walk through the woods. If you're all by yourself, you really don't notice a lot, but if there's somebody there, somebody will point out a flower or an animal or a special tree. So a lot of the noticing takes place because people stimulate each other.
Now I just see.
Now I just see you.
Wait a minute, this is weird.
But with the magnet, you can move that 400 pounds.
I've got it to go further now, look.
That's a freak of nature.
Look. It's just like
No,
taking...
you try it. You try it.
It's
you
just
try
like
it.
taking the dirt from what?
Yeah,
Come on,
see if
you
you can see what you've got to see if you can straighten.
Many exhibits actually require two people working together, like the pitch changer or delayed speech.
Hello? Does that sound like my voice?
Yes, it does.